Why no noise? Mr. Wilson was pleasantly surprised when he came home and found it unusually peaceful.
What's up?
Said Mr. Wilson to his wife in the kitchen.
Why is it so quiet? It's usually so noisy.
Just be thankful for the quietness. It won't last long. Tom is having tea with a friend, Diana is out shopping, and the twins are studying,
said Mrs. Wilson.
That's a first,
exclaimed Mr. Wilson.
Usually, they don't start their homework until it's time to go to bed.
They have a long essay to be handed in tomorrow, and, if it's late, they will be given another one to do as well,
explained Mrs. Wilson.
Their new teacher is quite strict.
Quite right, too,
replied Mr. Wilson.
It's beyond me how anyone could bear to try to teach English literature to a bunch of teenagers. I certainly couldn't do it.
Teaching's certainly not my cup of tea either,
said Mrs. Wilson.
It's fortunate that we both accountants then, isn't it?
Speak for yourself,
said Mr. Wilson.
After the day I've had, I'm not sure I want to be an accountant either. All my clients have left it until the last possible moment to send me the information for their tax returns.
So what's new?
Asked Mrs. Wilson.
Practically all of my clients do that every year.
Just then the front door slammed. Diana had returned from her shopping trip and she greeted her parents in the kitchen before going to her room. After a few minutes, loud pop music could be heard coming from upstairs. Then the door slammed again and Tom appeared to say that he had returned. As soon as he left the kitchen, the sound of the television could be heard, loudly, from the front room.
That's all I need,
groaned Mr. Wilson.
Whatever happened to the peace and quiet? I was just beginning to get used to it.
Dream on. You didn't really expect it to last, did you?
Asked Mrs. Wilson.
Well, I did think that it was too good to be true,
said Mr. Wilson sadly.